Welcome back to this section. In this section, we are going to learn how to make use of the crop and fill effectively. We'll start by creating a new slide. I've already created a new slide here. Remember, you come to new slide, then you select blank. So we'll go to insert, come to shapes, select the oval shape, hold shift key on your keyboard, then draw a shape. So we want to make an image to appear inside this object. Let's reduce the font, the height, the size of the object to say 3.2 inches for the width and height. Okay, so let's right click on it, go to format shape. So we'll come to picture and text fill. So by default, PowerPoint generates an image like this for you. So let's go to file. Let's select this image. We want this image to be our first image. So you notice that after importing an image into the object, the picture look distorted. So we need to reposition the image. So after repositioning the image like this, we'll come to format, come to crop, come to fill. So you see that after selecting fill, it brings this black angles around our image. Then we can resize the image by holding shift, pressing shift key on your keyboard. Click on these three dotted objects above the black angles on our image. So let's hold shift. We want to increase the image a bit. So then we'll now reposition it like this. So we'll go to crop again, select crop. So our image now looks better now. So we are going to make two more copies of this image because we want to reveal our two other members. So let's select Ctrl D. Let's press Ctrl D on our keyboard to duplicate. Okay. So now we've duplicated the image. Let's go to File. Let's select the second image. Let's reposition it. Let's reposition it again. Okay. So let's go to crop. Come to File. Come to Fill. Let's resize the image. Let's increase it a bit. Hold Shift key on your keyboard. Select the edge there. Then reposition it. Okay. Come to crop. Okay. So let's make another copy of this image. Select the image. Ctrl D to duplicate. Come to File. Let's select this image of me. Let's come to crop. Although the image looks good, but let's come to crop. Come to fill. Let's resize the image. Hold Shift key on your keyboard. Drag a bit. Then let's reposition it. Okay. Let's come to crop. Select crop. Okay. So, but you notice that our image. Sorry. Let's resize this image better. Okay. Select crop. So you notice. Sorry. Let me readjust this one too. Okay, I'm just trying to readjust the images. So now you notice that there's this shape outline, there's this blue lines around our object. We are going to remove it later, but let's reposition these images. Let's position it. Let's drag over the 3 images. Let's move them to, say, the center. But you still notice that there's this, the image, they are not well aligned. We want to make them have equal spacing between themselves. So let's come to Home, come to Arrange, come to Align, then let's select Distribute horizontally. Then come to Arrange again, come to Align, Distribute vertically. So we now have our images equally aligned. I'm coming. Okay, so the images are equally aligned now. So let's create a text for them. The names, let's name this as meet the team members. Let's go to Insert, select text box. Let's drag like this. Let's type meet the team members. The team members. So we want to change the color of the text. Let's change it to blue. Highlight the text by pressing Ctrl A on your keyboard. Let's select blue. Then let's change the font to Lato Black. Lato Black. Let's increase it to, say, let's make it 36. So we've created a title for our team members. Then let's also create a name for them. Let's come to Insert, select text box, their name and position. So let's say this is Olaxi B. Olaxi B. Then let's duplicate. Before duplicating, let's change the font color to blue because we want to maintain uniformity with our designs. Let's change the font to Lato. Let's increase the font, say, to 24. Let's bolding it. So let's make another copy of this text. Hold Control, select the text, hold Control key on your keyboard. Let's change this one to effective. Let's select the text, hold Control to make another copy of this. Let's call this Classic Eggs. So what we are going to do now is we are going to create a title for them too. So let's select the text. Let's hold Control, make another copy of this, and let's drag it slightly below their names. Let's say Olaxi is our director. Okay. Let's reduce the fonts to, say, 18. So let's center it and let's reposition it to, let's make it slightly below Olaxi's name. So let's make another copy of the title, of the job title or position. Let's drag it slightly below effective. Let's call effective admin or human resource. Let's give her human resource manager. Human resources manager. Human resources manager. Effective is our human resources manager. Okay. So let's make another copy of this. Hold Control key on your keyboard, then drag. Let's call ClassyShegs our content creator manager. Okay. So let's align the text. Let's align them. Let's select all the text, their names and their title. Let's come to arrange. Let's do them individually. Arrange. Let's say center. So then let's come to align here. Middle. So let's do the same to effective. Select both our name and the position. Come to arrange. Come to align. Select center. Then come to align here to align in the middle. Okay. Let's do the same to ClassyShegs. Select the name and the position. Come to arrange. Come to align center. Then come back here, select center. We've now created our team members